Morning everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now it's early Sunday morning, it's actually 8:20. One person's just arrived, I'm waiting for one more mate to turn up, and then we're heading down to the BAC Factory in Liverpool for chronos and cars. So without further ado, let's just go. Right, okay, so now we've made it to BAC, which is behind me. But first of all, before we even go in there to do the factory tour, let's take a look at what's in the car park. Okay, so starting off with this stunning Porsche GT3 in, I'm assuming, Miami blue. Now when I was younger and I was looking at cars, one of these was actually what I wanted. I wanted a trophy. But when I started looking around at insurance prices, it was never really going to happen. So then you've got the R8 and of course mine, the Astra VXR, with an M5 behind it. But then if we turn around here, of course the VXR. Then of course you come round, you've got the Clio V6. Then you've got the Yaris, what I call the Garmin, but it's the GR-MN. Obviously not many of these actually in the world, there's only 99 made I believe. Right, okay, so now we've made it inside, out of the wet weather. We're going to take a tour of the BAC factory, but of course, first of all, let's talk about the BAC Mono behind me. And they get it in through them doors right there. But let's go in, let's take a tour.
And now you've got a full set of 5-speed gears, and all the ratios are depending on what you want. So as a customer you can give us a list of specific ratios that you would want, speeds that you would like this to get through, or you can, a lot of customers tend to have a track in mind that they want to race in, and we can specify them a set of gear ratios that best suits that track depending on the high and low speeds that they want. But in terms of interchangeability, you can change the gears quicker than you can give it an oil service. So it is just in, tyres off, new tyres on, by then you can have a new set of ratios in. If you want a longer third, for example, it's going to help. It's an Inconel coated exhaust, which just helps with the management of heat. Heat being one of the bigger issues on the car. We manage it well now, but it's more about containing it. It does get hot, but that's part of the fun. Purely the exhaust, we never really have any problems with overheating or anything, to be honest, because it is tuned and tested to be on the road as well as the track. We always pride ourselves on the fact that it is actually a driver's car that can be driven, doesn't have to just be worked on. So a lot of people, a lot of customers we have take these out to tracks on a Sunday on their own. They'll put a set of all-weather tyres on and they'll just go. They don't take anyone with them, they don't take any engineers, they don't take any team. They'll just get some fuel at the track and go ahead. So it is a one-man band in that sense.
That's the advantage of it, one seat, you definitely leave the wife at home.
Exactly, it's a selfish sport. Yeah. It's a selfish sport.
So it's really interesting to see the progression from where it goes through the line inside the factory, and it's also interesting to see the fact that so it used to be a 2.3 litre Ford engine, but now it's a 2.5 litre engine tuned by Mantune. This has been the BAC Factory. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a like if you liked it, drop a sub if you loved it and want to see more videos just like this. Thanks so much for watching guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Take it easy. Into the factory and go and take a look at behind the scenes.